Hello everyone. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Mandalorian ambient face pulse blaster, the Nerf gun, limited edition. And here you go. Oh man, I can't really see much with this helmet. It's very hard to see anything. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. All right. Let's see this. On the back of the box. This really long box. You can see the drawing. And here we go. I'm gonna open it. Alright, put my mask on. Okay. What it look like? Here you get an instruction on how to load the gun and stuff like that. And the gun itself. It's coming right on the tape. So it's here. Okay. Here it is. Oh, super long. Really nice box. I'm gonna keep the box. Whoa. Super long. The little scope here. I think there's a battery component too that you can put mute sound on and stuff. Let me read the instruction booklet a little bit because I have no idea how to operate this thing. Okay, this thing open up. I think that's a reload chamber. Okay. Scope. Okay. Okay, let me figure things out first before we start. Okay, I'm back. So I found the battery compartment. It's over here. That's 2 AAA battery already put in. And oh, and let me finish unboxing on this. I found the bullet on the side here. There's the darts. Here. Some gray darts. Gray darts. Quite a lot of them actually. Nice. Oh, great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9? 9 bullets? Weird number to be given. 5, 9 bullets. Yeah, that's it. 9 bullets. Okay, close it up. Okay. So, here is the scope. When you press the scope, it turns on a light inside. So inside it turns red. When you aim, it turns red. And let's see. So this, when you cock this, the bullet hole. Oh, okay, sound. When you uncock, oh, this will pop open. And then you can load bullets in here. Single bullet action. You close it. There's sound. And then you reload. Guess you're ready to prime and ready to shoot. Shoot here. Whoa! How come they didn't make a sound this time? There you go, a shooting sound. It's pretty cool, very legit, very long, and it goes really well with my helmet. This is the way! Alright, that's the unboxing of the Mandalorian blaster. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.